In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a picture into a shape on Google Slides. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or just for fun, adding a bit of creativity can really make your slides stand out. This tutorial will help you transform your images by masking them into unique shapes, making your slide deck more appealing and engaging. Start by opening Google Slides and signing into your Google account. From the homepage, you can either create a new presentation by clicking Blank Presentation or choose a theme that suits your project. Starting with a blank canvas gives you full control, while themes can save time with a pre-designed layout. Once your presentation is open, insert the image you want to use. It could be a photo stored on your computer or something you downloaded online. Click on the image to select it. This is an important step, as it activates the editing options specifically for that image. Now it's time to get creative. In the toolbar at the top, click on the Mask Image option. A drop-down menu will appear with various shapes you can choose from. You'll find common options like circles, rectangles, stars, and more. For this tutorial, let's use a circle, which is perfect for profile pictures or logo-style visuals. Once you select the circle, your image will instantly conform to that shape, giving it a polished and professional appearance. You can experiment with different shapes to see what works best for your design. And that's it. By masking your images into shapes, you not only improve the visual appeal of your slides, but also help keep your audience focused and engaged. Keep experimenting with shapes and images, and you'll soon create slides that are both informative and visually captivating. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps elevate your Google Slides presentation.